Alright, so for this week, we'll make two different meals for meal prep. We have the onion, sweet onion, them really go good. We got the bell pepper, cherry tomato. We got the Jamaican spice. We got two habanero right also. Cabbage. Boneless, skinless chicken thigh. We got the ground turkey. And we got garlic. And we got shrimp. Don't know. And then with chicken, we are gonna do chicken too with some bourbon sauce. Teriyaki, you know. Yeah, air fry. So I'm gonna prep everything and come back. Oh, I'm gonna forget. Last but not least, we have the mushroom for add. So I'm gonna save the prep time. I'm gonna come back. Hold on. Alright, so we prep the cabbage, sweet pepper or bell pepper with the pepper, with the onion and the garlic ready for go and cook. Don't forget the carrot, but so be it. Chicken prep, ready for put in the air fryer to get going. So chicken with the Jamaica spice and the bourbon sauce. So yeah, alright. The cabbage just steam up, steam up. Everybody steam up. Alright, we're gonna add the ground beef and this ground turkey rather. Make it go and steam up. But first we're gonna add some avocado oil, you know, just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, that's good enough. Just enough so it don't stick. So we just add the shrimp to the cabbage, make it steaming. And then the ground over here, so I go and cook. Soon come back. So we just like to spray bottom my air fryer thing with the palm, you know, so it don't stick. Here we go. And then we add the chicken. Alright, see it there? Ready now. Nothing else makes sense. So it's like 20 minute, 400-degree temperature on both sides. Alright, we'll come back in at 20. Alright, veggie are gone. Cabbage finished. Cabbage, shrimp, and ground beef. Or turkey. I'm not saying ground beef all the time. Turkey. Soon come back to that. Chicken ready too. Just away from the veggie. Alright, like that. At the end of the completion, we have lunch and dinner for the next 3 days. So we have the steamed veggie, salted veggie with the air fried chicken. We have the cabbage, pepper, and the shrimp and the ground turkey, you know. Personally, I like them for lunch because you don't feel sleepy after you eat them at work, you know. And it helps to keep your day going. So ready for next week, aka tomorrow. Weight loss journey going great. Shout out to all watchers, dietitian too, don't know. So yeah. No like oh. Yeah. So I've never add the vegetable pepper, onion with mushroom and cherry tomato. That make it delicious, super delicious. And sweet onion. The sweet onion nice compared to the regular onion. But yeah. So massacre to me thing. No, that doesn't sound right. Massacre. So overall, high protein, high fiber, you know, help keep me full throughout the day and keep me going. The boneless chicken leg, 5 ounce, you know, vegetable never really weigh. Cabbage, mostly water too. So yeah.